Hey you guys, happy Wednesday. I hope you guys are having an amazing week. Happy New Year. This is my first video of the new year. So if you guys are new to my channel, hey, what's up? My name is Kylie Francis and I'm here to teach you guys the profitable social media marketing strategies that are working right now to grow your business online. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you guys find any sort of value in this video. Now in this video, I'm going to be talking about what is Clubhouse for business. Pretty much talking about the layout of Clubhouse since it's still in the beta version. It's invite only, iPhone only. So I just want to talk about what is it and is it worth being on for your business? Because I already did the same exact live stream in my top rated social media marketing Facebook group, the Vibe Tribe. And everyone's like, well, I'm already creating content. I'm already doing all these things. So is it even worth it? So I want to discuss that in this video. I'm going to go through logistics and then what to do to stand out on Clubhouse, but then also if it's worth it or not. At the end of this video, I am giving away my Clubhouse invite. So all you have to do is stay till the end of this video and I'm going to tell you guys the instructions on how to get or be in the running for a Clubhouse invite. So make sure you stay tuned till the end of this video. So what is Clubhouse? So I've been on Clubhouse when I got the app a week ago, and then I was on it for a couple days because I wanted to create this video because I've literally been addicted ever since I started it. And I was like, I didn't want to do it prematurely because I didn't really know how to use it, even though the app has been around for almost a year. I recently jumped on board and I'm in the entrepreneurship space. Obviously, that's what my channel is about. So this video is primarily based around the business aspect of using Clubhouse. So I think Clubhouse is amazing because what is it? It's a live podcasting app and it essentially allows you to enter rooms incongruent with the people that you follow. So what I mean by that is that the more people you follow on Clubhouse, the more rooms you're going to get access to. So it's kind of funny because now that I think of it, it's the complete opposite of how Instagram works. You know, if you're an online business owner, maybe you're a small business owner and you're like, how do I get my ideal clients to find me? You know, I have to spend all this time creating content. How can I be on Clubhouse? And the best thing about Clubhouse is that you can literally just pop into a room that you're an expert in or you have authority in. And then when it's your turn to speak about the topic, you can give your opinion, but the people that are listening are also interested in that topic as well. You don't have to create anything. And that's my favorite part about it because it's very similar to how I create my YouTube videos. You know, I don't do any edits. I just press play, go on my merry way, and then I'm done. But what a lot of people, if you don't know this about YouTube, you know, I have to, transfer the video over to my computer. It takes an hour to upload and then I have to do all the SEO tags and description, share it around. And then by the time I do all of that, it's a couple hours later. The best thing about Clubhouse is that you can add in your opinion on something when you enter in these rooms. And like I said, you find these rooms either by joining groups or following people. So the more people you follow on Clubhouse that are within your niche, the better, I don't want to say results you're going to see, but the more you're going to be able to network with the types of people you want to meet on this platform. So I think I already said earlier in this video, but I already have 1,400 followers on Clubhouse and I've been on it in 4 days. Just comparing that to my Instagram growth, it's it doesn't even compare, right? And it's not about followers. That's another thing I want to state with this app is that it's truly not about how many followers you have, who follows you, whatever, but it's you following the people that are within your niche so you can go and join those rooms. So that's really important to take note of. You know, this is not an app to judge people by how many followers they have because there's already Clubhouse pods going on and that's a completely other video. So if you want me to do a video on the Clubhouse scams, let me know in the comments because I feel like being in the social media realm for so long, I see those scams. So like I said, podcasting, Clubhouse is a live podcasting app, iPhone only, invite only. So like I said, I'm giving away an invite at the end of this video, so stay tuned. And the way that it's sectioned is that when you start following people that are within your niche, you're going to see rooms that either you can start or somebody else starts that you follow. And the way that it's situated is that when you enter a room, there's 3 sections. There's a moderator section with the speakers. Then there's a first degree connections section, similar to LinkedIn. So if somebody joins the room and the moderator follows them, they're in this section. And then there's a bottom section where it's just everybody else. Now, everybody really is treated equally. So don't think that like if you enter a room and you're in the bottom section, like you'll never get a chance to speak, because that's not true. All you have to do to speak, if the hand is turned on, there's a hand that looks like this, and it's in the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna click on it. And then if they invite you to speak, you press accept, and then you wait your turn in the queue to add your opinion. So what's amazing about this is like, I try to equate it to, you know, if you're listening to a podcast or maybe you're even listening to this YouTube video and you're like, I have something to say. Like Kylie said something, but like, I just want to tell her that like, that was a good, like, I agree with her so far. Or maybe you write that in the comments instead of it being like, you know, one person is actively speaking, or maybe podcasting where it's edited. This is completely unedited. It's live. It's like raw, real. You really can feel the vibe if you know, like, if someone knows what they're talking about or not, just to be real. Like, and it's not a competition, but it's like, it's a great way that if you have been, you know, climbing this Instagram ladder, you've been climbing this like Facebook ladder where it's like, how do I get people to even notice me? You want to be on Clubhouse. Because if you have something to say and you've had trouble getting attention, like, on social media, this is the app for you, and get on it ASAP. That's all I have to say about that. So, like I said, it's in 3 sections. You want to follow more people that are in your niche. Don't worry about if they're an influencer or not. Just like you'll hear in these rooms, if it's a thought leader, if you agree with people, follow them. This app is like you want to follow a lot of people because, like I said, that's how you get access to more rooms. So, I want to tell you guys what to do for your business, just so like a little rundown of how you can set your profile up for success and networking up for success. So what you want to do is that you want to complete your profile before you start networking. This is how I do it, and this is what I believe you should do too. So Clubhouse is situated by SEO. So everything, even emojis and words, you can search for in the top column, okay, in the search bar. So why that's important is because this is not a place to be like, I'm blah, 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 and you go on like rambling about your life story, which you can do, but you want to make sure that the first 3 lines in your Clubhouse bio is either an I help statement or you get right to the point with SEO and keywords. So my example is social media marketing consultant to CEOs and entrepreneurs. There I have CEOs, entrepreneurs, social media marketing. I have those keywords. So if someone searches for that, but they don't follow me, they can search for that and potentially find my name in the search. So after you have that it's 3 lines, and then you have to click to see the whole profile. Remember too, I want to say this, there's no pictures that you can like fake it till you make it. There's no like, you know, okay, let me go check her out before I follow her. It's like, this is your first impression, right? So the only way people can see that first impression from you is from your Clubhouse bio if they haven't already heard you speak, right? So this is really important to do first before you start networking. So have those first 3 sentences be all keywords, or have your I help statement so someone knows if you can help them. Then you have I have this section in the 3 parts. So I have the 3 lines where it says like little, you know, brief about me. And then I go down into what I do. Multifamily real estate investor. I'm a co-contributor of Business Beyond the Boardroom radio show. I have Post to Profit digital courses. I was Philly born and raised. I was an Olympic trials Division I swimmer. Why do I add those little things that are unrelated to my business? Because that grows the know, like, and trust factor. If someone else listens to me and they're like, oh, she's from Philly, I'm from Philly, they're going to follow me, okay? Because it's just that like, and I'm going to do the same with them because it's cool, right? We connect with people by being like them. Know, like, and trust. I have an entire video on how to build trust on social media. I'll leave that link up here for you guys as well. So you want to do that blurb. And if you're kind of like, well, I don't know what to write, go look at other people's profiles. profiles and maybe they'll inspire you to do what I did, or go look at my profile. My Clubhouse is at Kylie_Francis. So go see. I don't mind. Like, you don't have to copy me, but like, you can see how I have it laid out. So then underneath that, I have follow me on LinkedIn, follow my YouTube channel, like No BS Social Media Marketing Trainings. And then I have my website. And then there's only 2 embedded links for social sharing, and that, or not social sharing, for social media links. And it's Twitter and Instagram. You want to connect the both. If you have both, if you don't have either, just make sure you write where other people can connect with you, because I got 100 followers on Instagram in a day just from speaking. Like, just from saying what I know about social media marketing. And I never gave people a call to action. I wasn't like, go follow me on Instagram, like go DM me on Instagram, which is one of the Clubhouse scams. I didn't do any of that. I was just like, I said what I needed to say, and people wanted to, learn more about me. They clicked on my Instagram. Also Twitter. I haven't seen like the analytics on my Twitter, but I know on Instagram, because you see that number at the top, it was like 100 people. And I was like, this is crazy. So like another thing that I heard from my Facebook group live stream was that people were like, well, I'm focusing on growing my Instagram. And it's like, well, why don't you use Clubhouse as a way to show your expertise to the people that need what you have to offer? And then they'll go follow you on Instagram, right? You don't have to use Instagram to grow Instagram. That's like walking up an escalator that's going down. Okay, if you use Clubhouse, because to be quite frank, I don't know how long this opportunity is going to be here. So hop on the train if you can. If what I'm saying sounds like, yeah, this is what I'm about. I love speaking. I love, giving my opinion because I have experience, and, genuinely helping people with your value. No pitching. Don't pitch yourself. Don't go up there and be like, oh, yeah, I have that answer. Go DM me on Instagram. Like, don't do that. Just give people the answer. You're going to grow that know, like, and trust. People are going to respect you way more because you're not wasting their time. So the profile, that was pretty much like a wrap up of the profile. Just make sure that your keywords are in there, including emojis, because people can search for both. Don't be afraid to brag about yourself. I hate doing that personally. So if that's you too, I feel you on that 100%. But just know that this is like your first impression. It's very similar to like your Instagram feed. That's your first impression. But on Clubhouse, your first impression is your bio. So go ahead, complete that bio, make sure it's SEO keyword focused, and you have those Twitter and Instagram links embedded in there. So another thing you want to do, like I said earlier, is you want to follow people. Don't have this thing where it's like, I only want to follow 2 people to look cool. Okay. No, you want to follow people because that's how you get access to more rooms. So if you're in a room and you're vibing with what somebody's saying about a certain topic, and they're in the same niche as you, and you want to add more value around those niches or in that niche, go ahead and follow people, like follow. You want to follow everybody that like is relevant to what are the topics that you can speak on. Don't be afraid to collaborate. Now, I know it's really hard for some people to speak up, to collaborate, and to get the word out about their business or like maybe their opinion about something to say. I actually think Clubhouse is the best way to go about doing that, because you don't have to show your face. You don't have to, and I'm not going to lie, my heart pounds sometimes when I give my opinion, because I'm like, I don't know what people are going to think. I don't know what they're going to say, but I know it's my truth, right? So that's why when you speak from experience and you speak from your truth, you're really not going to care what other people think, because it's your experience, right? They can't take that away from you. So don't be afraid to contribute. Don't be afraid to raise your hand. Great way to start. If you ever wanted to get into public speaking, if you ever wanted to, go down that route, this is perfect for you. So like I said earlier too, you want to join rooms you can add value to. It's not about the vanity metric number where it's like, oh, I want to join that room because there's 1,500 people. You can probably make more of an impact in rooms with 5 people you can add your expert opinion on than ones with 2,000 people, just because 2,000 people are in the room. Does that make sense? And then, the last tip that I have for you guys is you want to connect with people off of Clubhouse. This is a must. We don't know when this opportunity is going to end. We don't know, when, even though it's in beta testing, no one knows where this app's going. Like I said, I'm not an expert in Clubhouse. I'm just sharing like what's worked for me to get 1,400 followers in 4 days on Clubhouse and be on, stages with Gary Vee Grant Cardone, etc. like you want to connect with these people off of Clubhouse, whether that be following on Instagram, connecting with on LinkedIn. I'm prioritizing LinkedIn just because I have a following on LinkedIn. I think it's like 42,000 people. So I prioritize LinkedIn, but just make sure that you're going out of your way to make that connection off of Clubhouse, and other people will do that as well. And that's the best part about social media, is that you don't want to be reliant on one platform. There's so many great platforms, and the more you connect with people off of the platform you're on, the less vulnerable you are to that platform. Okay. So yeah. Oh, and the last point that I have, I'll give you guys a bonus tip. I wrote a couple of notes down because I knew I was going to forget, but last bonus tip that I have for you guys is to time block. I think it was like Sunday. I spent like, this is actually embarrassing, but I spent like 5:30 a.m. to like, I think it was, I don't know, 8:30 p.m. on Clubhouse. Yeah, I hopped off here and there, but it was just so, like, the conversations were just so great. It's a great way to meet new people, network. Like I said, take everyone's, be inspired, but don't waste time. Definitely time block. I like doing it in the morning when I'm kind of like making breakfast, my coffee, whatever. And yeah, that's really all that I have to say. Oh, what I was going to say about people's opinions is that, like, I'm going to do a whole nother video on Clubhouse scams where it's like where people write in their bio what they aren't actually are. So just remember that, be inspired by people and then take action, but don't take one person's advice for like the end all be all just because they say there's something on Clubhouse, right? But like I said, I'll cover that in an entirely separate video because this is already 16 minutes long. So I wanted to tell you guys about the invite giveaway. I'm giving away an invite not just here, but also in my Facebook group. So if you want 2 chances to win, hop on over to my Facebook group. And that's the Vibe Tribe, Social Media Marketing for the Online Entrepreneur. I will leave that link below in the comments. But in order to, potentially win an invite to Clubhouse, if you want to get in, I will be giving away an invite once this video reaches 100 likes on YouTube. So all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and then leave a comment below. What's your favorite tip that you learned? Maybe you have another tip that maybe you're on Clubhouse and you just like wanted to listen to me talk. Let me know what you love about Clubhouse. Let me know like your questions or whatever, and I always reply to every comment. So always let me know in the comments what you guys think. So like, subscribe, comment, that's all you have to do, and you are in the running to win an invite onto Clubhouse. I'm going to pick that winner once this video reaches 100 likes on YouTube. So I hope you guys love this video. If you did, if you're not all about Clubhouse and you love this video and you want social media marketing tips, go ahead, smash that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you guys find any sort of value in this video. And if you guys have any more questions or any topics you want me to talk about, always let me know in the comments, because your question could quite literally and anonymously be the topic of my next video. So I hope you guys have an amazing week. Maybe I'll see you on Clubhouse. Go over and connect with me there. I'm at Kylie_Francis, and I'll see you over there. So I hope you guys have an amazing week, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.